So alright everyone, now we want to learn the second method of our toggle password visibility. So I just left this out of the last code that we used. We have username and the input, we have password and the input. So the only difference between this and the last one was that we added a checkbox input, which I've removed from this. So looking at this now, let me check what we're going to be having on our browser. Let's see how it looks. We are waiting. Is it loading? Okay. Some that's loaded somewhere. Okay, there is one CSS on it. So let me remove the CSS. And then we'll come back here to view what we have. Okay, so exactly this is what we have now. Username, then password. Now you see, when you want to have what is it called, whenever you want to have that high icon that's usually show when you want to toggle between password visibility and password to be visibility and visibility, or how do we put the English? So we have some icons, and there is a style sheet site that helps us with those icons. So we are going to be covering some things here that will be very useful for you even after this class. Okay, so the first thing we need is a particular link. So that we have an icon library. We have icons library. One of them or should I say the most popular one, is the font awesome icon library. So first font awesome, we need the link, and we're going to add it to this place inside our head tags after the link to our CSS. If you have CSS, so that is where we're going to be putting, so you just enter this, that is where we're going to be putting the link. How do you get the link? Go to your browser. Let me open another. So close the new bar. So just type font awesome. So font awesome CDN, that's what you need. So font awesome CDN, click on it. Okay, so this font awesome CDN, click on the link so that you can open the site. Okay, and then let's come down. Okay, so this is the link we've been looking for. This particular link that starts with link, style sheet, and all of that. So just copy it from this place. Onto this all.css, then this. So just copy this and then come back here. After, inside your head, just paste the link there, then Either I need to close that tag. Right. So having done this, immediately you have pasted this, then you are close to where you're going to. So to put the, what is it called, the hi inside our password input, so we need to first bring the hi down here. We usually use two tags. It's either use hi tag, the hi, let me see, so either you use I tag, or at times you use span. You put the I inside span. So either this or this span. So you use any of these elements, whichever one you like, that is what you're going to be using. But for now, I love using the high, except I want to use the span to style it or something. So let me go for the high. So inside this high, now we are going to be declaring a class. So we are going to be declaring a class, and it is inside this class name that we'll be putting the name of the icon that we need. So how do we usually code that? It usually starts with FA. That is default. So this FA, it seems it goes for font awesome. Then you put space, then another FA icon. So this is the name. So this one now, FA icon, FA iPhone hi, and I think that is the name of the icon we use. But in case you don't note the exact name of your icon, then let's go to where to learn that. So we'll come back to this place, to your browser, go to your search engine and search for font awesome. So this time font awesome, not CDN, icons. So when you search for font awesome icons and you click on it, you're going to be seeing different icons. So as you can see, okay, don't worry, I'll be coming here to pick those ones for username. Maybe on your app you need to put battery, something, different icons, as in anything you need. So the username, we usually find that under user, so the name is user. And the password, for password they use lock. So in case I see it, I will. Okay, this is lock. So this is the one we use for password. And then, so which one are we looking for now? Okay, I, that is E, so it is here. So we have high and we have the high slash. So the high is the one that usually says, okay, the password should show, and the I slash is the one that usually says, okay, the password should not show. Okay, so this time we need only the high. For now, in our HTML mainly we need only the high. So now what is the name of this icon? It is called far high. So this is how to write it. As I've told you, high tag, then you inside your opening tag, I element, inside your opening tag of the high, then you put a class name of far high, and that is just it. So I've done that already, so I don't need to copy. So after that, I'm going to be declaring an ID, and then probably give it, let's say, toggle password. Toggle password show. So because we're going to have, we can say toggle passwords to be show or not to show. So show or hide. So this is what we're going to be having here now. Alright, let's view this from our browser. So if you just put this here, this thing, and you don't put the icon library link here, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. So let's come here and then refresh it. So can you see now? So we have the eye here. So we just need little thing to do to this eye so that it can come inside this input. So we're going to be doing that with CSS. I believe you know that, but I don't want to put my CSS inside my HTML file, so I'm going to be opening a CSS file for this separately. Alright, see you in the next slide to start with the CSS. Bye.